Alrighty, starting out the day, kind of the same trading style that I've been doing for the past week. Really back and forth, but better today. This first trade is a mistake, I guess, on my part that I look back on it. Something I've done, I had noticed I repeatedly do, and I should stop doing, is we'll get these like, stop runs or large order removed. I don't know, whatever it is, but I'll see a really quick flush down and I immediately jump in when really I should wait, because almost every single time when there's a quick flush, it usually just kind of bounces from that because all the liquidity just got snapped out and it's got to go somewhere and it's not going lower. Usually goes up higher. So I get a bounce, quick bounce back. I was doing a 40 tick stop loss, 44 tick take profit, but early morning volatility was still too high, so I went back doing the 80 and 100. The internet went out for a good, I don't know, 30 minutes, well, 15 minutes ish, so ended up coming back on. I went break even on that trade, and then I remembered to record. But right here is a beautiful trade for me. I see that we're pulling back. Just made a giant move up, pulling back, and then almost no drawdown instantly to my target. So that was a really great momentum play. No hesitation. I'm saying I'm feeling pretty confident. I mean, even though I do a lot of break even today, I'm feeling confident in the decisions that I'm making, which overall led to me having better trading performance. Still a little hesitant though, I will say, not the best confidence. Like this trade right here, this trade worked, but it just pulled back too much and I got stopped out. And so, would have been better to have went in at, 450s and it would have been fine, but I just kind of got in a little too late, and at that point I knew it wasn't gonna work, but should have just gotten out. That's something I struggle to do. It would take a loss there. So at this point, I can't remember how much I'm down. I'm like down 80 bucks or whatever. Another break even trade, because again we did push up and I just wasn't really good continuing. Here was a good area too, 500s, but we just kept pushing at that level. And then here we were defending the 20s, like we just weren't pushing it like back up. And so I was like, if we break that level, we'll probably get momentum to the upside, and we did. It was a really great trade. I think that's when I decided I was done. Can't remember. Yeah, almost flattened right there, but I held out and I won, so ended up kissing it. No, we have one more trade in, I think. Yeah. Okay, so at that point I'm back up like 200 bucks. Okay, so here break even, because obviously we sold down a lot, and then I'm like, at a good area of reversal, so I can feel it coming. I could see it coming. But right there we get a nice rejection, little pin bar, a little bit of a red close, but that's fine. It was kind of really holding that area anyway. And so here price action was slowing, so we went back to the 40 stop loss and take profit, and we end up getting the fill there for $660 profit. So that's better. My account balance is back up to 149,670 dollars. So really only 400 away, 330 from break even. Yeah, I'm just taking it slower. I could be trading a little bit more size, but just the fact that I've been back and forth all week makes me just want to stay at the level I'm at, one contract. Because it's been a struggle every morning, and then eventually I get it, a full take profit. I'm just like, all right, I'm done. I don't want to. My emotional and mental capital feels a bit used up, so I don't want to do again. But I mean, that's it. That is it. that was a good trading day. So far, 4 solid days of, 500 plus, $400 trading. So that was good. And that's it.